Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed from last week, as well as some really exciting news. So let's get into the video. Now that you might have seen that there was something that was going to be big that was announced today, and it truly is big. First, I wanted to mention that there has been a price drop on Ampsentrix accessories. You can see these amazing prices on the USB-C to USB-C cables in both the 3 feet and the 6 feet, and the USB-A to USB-C in the 6 feet and 3 feet, and also with the non-MFI USB-C to Lightning cables, and the MFI USB-C to Lightning cables, and the USB-A to Lightning non-MFI and MFI cables, and the micro USB, USB-A, all of these different adapters, all of these different things. These make great stocking stuffers. So if you have customers that celebrate Christmas or just give gifts, these are really good. So stock up on those now. Now for what I'm most excited about, and that is shipping. Huge discounts from here to the end of the year on shipping, with FedEx and UPS, ground and 2-day shipping. Orders under $350 are only $5, and anything over $350 in order is absolutely free. And for standard overnight, when you're under the $500 mark, it's only $5, and free when you exceed the $500, which is amazing. Definitely make sure you're aware of the cutoff times as well, but this is definitely going to help everybody out for the holiday season. Look out for some more exciting news this week on MobileSentrix.com, as there's a bunch of exciting things coming your way. And don't forget to check in daily as I put out videos every single day, as I cover a bunch of topics from repair in general to micro soldering, answering questions that you might have from YouTube videos, and problems that we're seeing in the industry. If there's a question that you have in one of those topics, leave it in the comments below. Or if there's a product that you'd like to see featured in a video, let me know in the comments. Or if there's a repair in general that you want to know how to do, let me know as well, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.